Okay, so today's strategy is going to be really simple and easy because it requires no selling or anything whatsoever. And I'm gonna explain to you everything and what you need to do step by step, so make sure you watch till the end. And just for a fact, everything we do today requires no investment, so it's gonna be free and it's worldwide, so you can be anywhere in the world and they will still pay you. So you will be making money in anywhere in the world. So first off, let me just show you the payment proof so you know it's real. Here you go. Like, people are getting paid. He got paid on Payeer. You can get paid in PayPal, Payeer, or Payoneer, and Bitcoin, and there are a lot of other payment options. So yeah, make sure to just watch the video till the end. I'm gonna show you step by step everything, so you don't need to do anything by yourself, you know. So let's go. The first step you're gonna have to do is going to YouTube. Okay, you're gonna go to YouTube and look for like something that will help people. For example, like diet tips. Let's go. 5 diet tips for diabetes. Okay, this is gonna be really good. So what you're gonna have to do, you need to just copy their link. There you go. And then this is when it gets real. Okay, then you're gonna have to go to uii.io. This get paid by every visitor who visits your URL. So you're gonna have to get people to click on your URL because you're gonna shorten that URL, and you will get paid every 1,000 clicks. But it's gonna be really easy after I show you how to do it and where to go and how to do it. So they have the highest rates. Okay, low minimum payout. It's gonna be $5, as you can see here. You're gonna get 20% of the referral bonus if you refer this UII. If you refer this website to someone, you will get paid when they get clicks, when they get paid too. So it's gonna be really good if you refer to friends and stuff. So you're gonna help your friends, plus you're gonna make money out of that. You're gonna help other people. If you want, you can do this and just start making money, passive income. It's okay, but first off, what you're gonna have to do is just sign up for free. It's gonna be free. So you're gonna put your username, email address, password. You're gonna re-enter password, agree to the terms and use of policy and privacy policy, and you're just gonna have to register. Okay, so after you sign up, you're gonna come to this page. So it's gonna be really easy. Trust me, it's so free. It's crazy. It's so easy to make money online these days, man. Like, you can make money by just watching YouTube videos. I have a video on that. You can go and click on it and you can see it. Like, you don't have to do anything and you will still get paid. But trust me, this one is gonna be much more, I mean, not easier, because the other one is just by watching YouTube videos. I have 2 other videos you can go and watch. They're legit, and yeah, you can start making money right now, like today. As you can see, your money wallet is $0. Of course, you just started, so you're not gonna get paid for that. So you're gonna just shorten a link. So you're gonna put your link in here and just shorten it, nothing else. Now, what will you do with this link? You're gonna have to go to another website. I told you it's gonna be free and it's gonna be really fast. So don't worry, it's everything step by step. Now we're gonna go to linktree.com, as you can see here. What will you do here? You're gonna just sign up for free. It's gonna be free. Look, it's gonna be free. You're gonna put your email, username, password, and repeat your password. Retype your password. It's the same. Okay, so after you sign up, you're gonna come here just to confirm a few details, and you'll be managing your links in no time. Like, look, this is gonna be really easy. I'm telling you. You're gonna start making money right now. So let me just put my name as MMO Strategies. That's my YouTube. You can subscribe anytime you want. You can like too. If it helps you, you can sure like and subscribe. And if you subscribe, make sure to put the notifications on so you can get notified every time I post, and you will not be missing any of my strategies. So I'm not gonna select this, but you can. Okay, just gonna say I'm not a robot, because I'm not. Okay, so you can continue for free. You're not gonna have to pay. Okay, you can if you want to go a pro, but you're just gonna continue for free. Okay, so what you will do in this account, in this link tree, you're gonna do this. You're gonna add a new link. You're gonna take this. Where it is? You're gonna take the link you just shortened. You're gonna put in here. Let me just boom there. And what you will do, you will just take the title of the video and put it in the link tree. There you go. That's all you need to do. Okay, so add a new link. We're gonna put 3 new links. Okay, this is how your account will look in a mobile phone. It's actually gonna be, this is how it will look. Nice. I actually like this. So yeah, people, now what you will have to do. Alright, so after you get on this page, you're just gonna have to just copy your link. So why we did 3 links is because as much clicks as possible, okay? So yeah, if they come here, they are gonna watch this, they will watch this, and they will watch the three of the the 3 of the URLs you just got there. Okay, so now we're just gonna copy this link. So this is your link, okay, and you're gonna go to slideshare.com. Okay, so look, this website has approximately 190 million views per month. Okay, and what you will do here, you will just make an article. Okay, you can make, it's actually really easy. You can make one, you can start saying, oh my god, like this is how you make. You can go on articles like this. Look, blog. Wait, why am I going to blog? Just go diet tips. Go in here and how to lose weight. You can just copy some of these and just change it a little bit. And you can go here and you're just gonna have to sign up. You can join with LinkedIn. Okay, so after you sign up, so first you're gonna have to sign up. After you sign up, you just upload, and the article that you have made, you're just gonna have to upload it, make a title for it, the description, you're gonna choose a category, and you're gonna make it public. You're gonna put some tags, and you just have to publish it. And like a lot of people will, like diet tips and stuff, it's a big category. So yeah, you can do that, or you can do anything else. You can do how to make money. You can do how to get self-confidence, because people will look at that a lot, because a lot of people want to have more confidence in themselves, and yeah, that's how you will help people, and they will actually help you back, so you will get money out of it. Of course, you don't do it for free, and yeah, well, actually you do it for free, but you get paid and you help people. So that's the greatest thing about this strategy. So guys, yeah, that's it, the video. That's for today's video. Just make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and put the notification on, so when I upload, you can get notified every time, so you can't miss out on any of my videos. So yeah, if you start watching my videos, you will actually start making money. Like, don't tell me you don't think this is like real. You can go and try it yourself if you don't believe me. So yeah, guys, goodbye. See ya in the next video.